Guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make slime. So here's what we're going to need is clear glue, shower foam, eye glue, oil, baby lotion, and plus water. First add eye glue inside the water. Mix it till it dissolves. Pour a clear gum inside it. Okay. Oh my god. And then pour your shower foam. Shower foam is really important to make it like slimy. Turns out like slimy. Wait, it didn't come so. And then stir it, and it turns out like slimy. And I'm going to make cotton candy slime. It turns out like really slimy, and turns out like cotton candy. And plus, to make it fluffy, add baby lotion, just a bit of baby lotion. But if you're making like not cotton candy, just don't add baby. If you're making not cotton candy, you can put how much baby lotion depending on your slime. So mix it really well. I make slime. I make Nutella slime. Yeah, I make blue slime, bubblegum slime, and pink slime, red slime, and also double mint slime. Double mint, I add much of glitter because I love glitter. If you wanna add color, you also can add glitter glue. Glitter glue are the best, I think, because glitter makes it like hard to mix, and it's really, I don't know, but what I know is glitter glue are the best because glitter, glue, both are with glue. So I think glitter glue are the best. Turns out like cotton candy. Add slime activator. Just pour a bit. Pour much more. I'm going to pour it a bit, and a bit. Yeah, like that. When the bowl is really clean, it's the time that you're going to knead your slime really well. Plus, if you're wearing long sleeve, make sure you pull your sleeve. Or when you're kneading the slime will not attach to your sleeves, and I really hate it, and it makes my clothes really bad. Or if you have old t-shirts, you can just wear it. It's working. Eye glue. Maybe you guys think that we don't need eye glue after we add our eye glue in the water, and it's called like slime activator, but we still need it. Oh, it turns out like really cotton candy. Real cotton candy. Why not? Okay, so now my one is like non-sticky, so I'm cleaning it up, and then I add oil. When it turns out like non-sticky, you can add your oil to make it much more non-sticky. Yeah, after I add oil, it turns out like really non-sticky, like this. So this is my slime. I'm gonna mix it. Turns out like cotton candy slime. Who doesn't love cotton candy? Ooh la la, the slime is not too sticky. Not like my slime, which I didn't use slime activator and turns out like really sticky. Oh my god, I hate slime that got really sticky. Ew. We need more oil to make it like a really non-sticky. Okay, pour oil into the bowl or add your slime to make it really like non-sticky. If you're using pen, I'm not so sure it's the best, but I'm using pen too actually, but the pen are the best. So I think my slime, if you guys want to knead it with your hands like you want, because after I finish my slime, I just add it into my Tupperware or case or microwave bowl and close it for a day to make it like, turns out like a real slime. I don't want to knead it, so else my hand will be like a really, oh my god. Add oil, don't put too much this third time. Third time you need to put like just a bit. Like, because I also have make a mistake when I do my slime. So that's why my slime turns out really like so hard and so hard to tear it, so hard to stretch it, so hard to play with it, and it's not really slimy. It's really hard than a Play-Doh. Yeah, because slime should be like more smooth than a Play-Doh. So I think my slime is ready. Yeah, it's ready. When you put too much oil, you really need to knead it like me now. So I think I'm not going to knead it with my own hands. I'm gonna put it on my table. It's really bad. So best. I don't know how to say how best it is. It's really best. So this is my cotton candy slime.